Right now, companies around the world are racing to build quantum computers. And they cannot find enough qualified people to hire. IBM, Google, Amazon, and Microsoft are all competing for the same small pool of talent. Here is the surprising part. You do not need a physics degree to break into this field. You just need to start learning the right skills today. Quantum computing is no longer science fiction. In 2026, it is becoming a real, commercial industry, and it needs people urgently. Let us look at 3 roles that are in high demand right now. First, quantum software developer. These professionals write algorithms using quantum programming languages like Qiskit and Cirq. If you already know Python, you can transition into this role in 6 to 12 months. Salaries vary by country, but in the US, this role typically pays between $180,000 and $250,000 per year. In Europe and Australia, salaries are also among the highest in tech. Second, quantum solutions architect. This role bridges classical computing and quantum systems. You help companies identify which business problems quantum computing can actually solve. It is a strategic role, and it pays extremely well globally. Third, quantum machine learning engineer. This is the intersection of quantum computing and artificial intelligence. You optimize machine learning models to run on quantum hardware. The demand for this skill is growing in every major tech hub across the world. Here is why the timing is perfect right now. There are only around 15,000 quantum computing professionals worldwide. But the industry will need more than 100,000 by 2028. That gap is your opportunity. You can start learning for free. IBM Quantum and Microsoft Azure Quantum both offer free beginner courses online. No physics degree required, just strong logical thinking and basic maths. The quantum computing job market is where artificial intelligence was back in 2016, right before it exploded. Companies are hiring now, and many are willing to train the right candidates. Check the description below for our Quantum Computing Fundamentals course. It is designed to get you job ready in 4 months, no matter where you are in the world. Do not wait until this field becomes crowded. Subscribe for more emerging tech career insights, and start your quantum journey today.